and he did his mantra and everything. He chanted mantra, and then he showed his palm to me, and there was 7 rice plates. Literally 7. My best friend was a thief, and she stole my 40,000 rupees. Hello guys, today I'm back with a new storyline, and this one is literally interesting. She stole my 40,000 rupees, and nobody believed in me because she was everyone's best friend. She was too good for everyone. She was in their list, and she might have done everything for them. So hello guys, welcome to a new story time. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Yukta. In the year of 2020, I took admission in the college after completing my 12th standard. So it was the first day of my college. I got ready, went to the bus stop. I was standing in the bus stop because it requires me to travel by bus because the college is 30 kilometers away from my house. I was standing there. Bus didn't came to pick me up. And I was just standing over there. I came home, I told my father that bus didn't came to pick me up. The timing was 7:30. And he was like, what? And now I know why bus didn't came to pick me up. That was the sign for me. So I literally told my father that bus तो आई नहीं, आज की छुट्टी कर लेते हैं, कल से जाऊंगी. So he said, I'll drop you to the college. आज को कॉलेज में जाना, बस वाले अंकल को बता के आना कि this is my stop. From tomorrow pick me up from here. I said okay क्योंकि पापा के आगे किसी की नहीं चलती है. So I went to the college and it was too late that I entered the class in the second lecture. It was too embarrassing. So as the year passed by, we made new friends and then I met her. Let's call her a bitch because she was a bitch in my life. So let's talk about her character. She was the best girl you will ever know. She will become your best friend from the first day. She'll help you in stuff, she'll roam with you, she'll bitch with you, and she'll do anything for you. So we were the group of 7 to 8 people. And our friendship was like here, top-notch friendship. Like I felt like the friendship was this much good. So there was a guy, let's call him a bait. Okay, he was a bait. So literally it was the time for us to submit our semester fees. Okay, so my father told me खुद क्यों नहीं करती है तू फीस जमा खुद करके आया कर खुद सीख. So he gave me the ATM to pay my fees. So I literally swapped my ATM over there and I paid my fees. Then that bait came to me. He said कि यार आज तो फीस जमा करनी है और मेरे पास पैसे भी नहीं है और ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि अकाउंट में जिसके पास पैसे है ना वो पे कर सकता है क्योंकि हम कैश नहीं लेते. तो ही सेड मेरे पापा का ऑपरेशन हो रहा है, मेरी मम्मी उनके साथ हॉस्पिटल गई है बाहर. सो शी हैज गिवन मी मनी इन कैश. सो प्लीज पे माई मनी एंड आई गिव यू कैश द अदर डे. एंड आई वॉज टू काइंड एंड आई वॉज द बेस्टेस्ट फ्रेंड who will help you in any situation. Okay. So I asked my father क्या मैं पे कर दूँ. He said कि देख ले बेटा जैसा भी है अगर तेरे को अच्छा लगता है तेरा अच्छा दोस्त है तो help him, but be careful. So I helped him with the money and I paid his tuition fees. Everything went very well. We all went home and the next day we met. He gave me the money and he told me keep it safe with you and don't show it to anyone. I didn't show it to anyone. I kept that money in my pocket. Listen carefully. I didn't show that money to anyone. There were 2 or 3 people. He, me, my friend, and this girl, which we 4 were sitting and only we 4 were knowing about the money. She used to go by 2 by the girls. But that day she told me चल मैं रुकती हूँ आज हम लोग बास्केटबॉल खेलेंगे. मैंने बोला ठीक है because I used to love playing basketball. So I said okay let's play together because I used to have no one to play with me. So she waited and she said चल कुछ खा के आते हैं. We went to the canteen and we had something. So she said I want to go to the washroom. I said चल ठीक है यहाँ कैंटीन के पास वॉशरूम है यहाँ चले जा. She said I don't love going to this washroom. Let's go to the washroom that's near to the basketball court. I said okay. So we went there. I kept that money in the front pocket of my bag and she was the only one that knew that I have money in my bag because the one who gave me the money was not with us. We were the only people who know that I have money in my bag's pocket. I kept that bag in the chair that was in the washroom and I went inside. So guys, let me give you the brief inspection of the washroom. So we had three washrooms over there. First door, second door and third door. Okay, so first, second and third. Then there was a hand wash section over there that is outside the washroom, and there was a chair. I kept my stuff in the chair. My bag and my jacket. I kept it on the chair, and she knew that I had money in my bag. So I was going in this washroom, and before going inside, I saw her going in this washroom. Okay, she went inside. I went inside. Suddenly, she acted like that someone is calling her, and she came outside. Okay. I said, okay, someone might be calling her. Then she went outside and she went inside the washroom again. I went outside and I saw that my chain is half open. Okay, we both were there in the washroom and only we both were there. She came outside. She came outside from the middle one. Okay, I was too dumb to judge. I didn't question her about that. So as soon as I came outside and washed my hand, I saw that bag's chain was half open. So I thought that why not to check the money. That I, as soon as I opened the chain, there was no money inside the bag, and I freaked out. मैंने बोला मैं पापा को क्या बोलूँगी, मेरे पैसे कहाँ गए? So then that girl came outside and I asked her, तूने देखी क्या मेरे पैसे यहाँ पर से गायब है? बोलती मैं तो अभी आई हूँ, तूने देखे होंगे? तो मैंने बोला यार नहीं है पैसे. तो शी टोल्ड मी चल कैमरा वाले ऑफिस में चलते हैं, बिकॉज शी नो दैट अंदर वॉशरूम में कोई कैमरा नहीं है. वी सॉ दैट टू गर्ल्स वर कमिंग इन द वॉशरूम आफ्टर वी वेंट, एंड देन वी called them, and those girls told me that they saw that girl, my friend, going inside the washroom running. So after that I told everything to the director. तो डायरेक्टर बोलता है कि सारी बसों की पहले चेकिंग करा लो, बिकॉज अगर गेट से बाहर चली जाएगी तो फिर पैसे तो नहीं मिलेंगे. सो वी वर चेकिंग एंड दैट गर्ल वाज माय फ्रेंड, शी वेंट टू हर बस एंड टोल्ड दैट कि मैंने सबको बोल दिया है, सारी बसों में बोल दिया है चेकिंग कराने के लिए, तो वो लोग करा देंगे. सो एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग गुड एंड शी वाज डूइंग चेकिंग एंड ऑल. सो वन गर्ल फ्रॉम माय क्लास, शी कॉल्ड मी एंड टोल्ड मी दैट जो तेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है ना, वो चेकिंग कराने में बहुत वो कर रही है और शी इज नॉट गिविंग एनी चांस फॉर एनीवन टू चेक हर फिलिंग्स. सो आई टोल्ड उसने थोड़ी चुकाया होगा, चलो ठीक है जितना भी हो रहा है चेकिंग कर लो. सो एवरीवन वाज स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर एंड दे वर सेइंग दैट तेरे पैसे ऐसे तो नहीं चुरेंगे, जिसको पता ही नहीं है तेरे बैग में पैसे है, तो तेरे बैग में से पैसे निकालेगा नहीं. पहली बात. तो दूसरी बात, जो निकालेगा उसको पता होगा कि कहाँ रखे हैं पैसे. सो शी वाज द ओनली वन हू नो दैट कि मेरे बैग में पैसे हैं, एंड she was the one going with me for the checking because she know कि कैमरे में कुछ नहीं आने वाला है. तो everyone was just pointing out that your best friend might have stolen your money. I was like, no yaar, she is my best friend, she will never do that to me. And then that girl told me that she didn't even wanted her to get checked because she told that don't touch me or everything. I haven't stole. She's my best friend. Why would I do that to her? Then the director called me to his office to write everything step by step. What happened, where we went, where we go. So the teachers who were there in the admin office, they were like, we think your best friend has stolen the money. And that time, so many people have told me the same. So I believe that she might have been the one who stole the money. So next day I told her friends, like they were my friends too. I told यार मेरे को लग रहा है ना कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं. They were like, वो क्यों चोरी करेगी, वो तो इतनी अच्छी है, she will never do that. And she literally stole my 40,000 rupees and nobody believed in me because she was too good to everyone. I told that. So the next day the director called me and her also to the his office. And she was like, मैं तो भगवान की कसम खा के बोल रही हूँ मैंने नहीं चुराए हैं. And he was like, oh यार ऐसे भगवान की कसम तो कोई झूठी नहीं खाता है. She swearing on God. So she might have been speaking the truth only. हम तब तक किसी पे शक नहीं कर सकते जब तक वो साबित नहीं होता है कि उसने चोरी किए हैं. So I was like, wow. She was too happy and she was like, yeah, हाँ ऐसा सब पूरे टाइम करने में लगी थी. फिर क्लास पे गई. She was like so happy कि I have been proved innocent. ये वो. So I was like, she stole my money and you guys are just believing in her because she's too sweet. So after that, my parents told to meet director. Then they talked to him and he said, "ठीक है, आप कल आ जाना." The next day, someone died. Like someone literally died and कॉलेज की छुट्टी हो गई. फिर उस दिन मैं, मम्मी और पापा, we believe in things like things. So we, मम्मी and पापा went to the Guruji and वो चावल देते हैं. घर के चावल देख के बता देते हैं चीज़ें. मैं और मम्मी बैठे हुए थे तो उन्होंने बोला कि उसकी फ़ोटो दिखाओ. वी शोड हर फोटो. तो उन्होंने बोला कि मेरे हाथ में ये 6 ग्रेन्स हैं, अगर ये चावल 7 हो जाएंगे तो शी इज़ द वन हू स्टोल द मनी. एंड ही शोड हिज पाम एंड वो 7 हो गए. So we knew that she is the one. After that, nothing happened because she was the daughter of retired army man, and her mother called the director and told him कि हम पैसे दे देंगे पर हमारी बेटी का नाम मत खराब करो, उसने नहीं चोरी किया है. एंड ही वाज लाइक वी कांट प्रेशर एनी स्टूडेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, सो वी जस्ट left that thing and just moved on. That bitch was so soft spoken. She was good to everyone. She made her image like she is your best friend and she will do anything for you. She's so sweet. But in the end, she stole my 40,000 rupees. That's it for my dumbness. See you in the next one. Bye bye.